In this lesson, we are looking at JSON formatters. When working with JSON connectors, you often have to do some pre-analysis of the JSON structure. So the two online services I will show you today are very helpful in this process. Firstly, I need a JSON dataset. So I will use our favorite GeoJSON service, the US Geological Survey. I'm on the page with earthquake data. I'm going to select a large dataset for this demonstration. So we'll look at all earthquakes above 1.0 magnitude for the last 30 days. The first thing I'm going to do is just copy this JSON data. Now let's look at the first service I want to show you today, JSON-lint. JSON-lint is a JSON validator. We can paste in our JSON here, press validate, and now two things have happened here. It's given us a formatted view, which is a pretty view of the JSON, and secondly, it's also validated the JSON. So we can see that this JSON file is valid. If I modify the JSON and re-validate, it'll show me an error, and it will show me the area that the error has occurred. So this is quite useful for when we look at JSON files. If that doesn't validate, this service will show us exactly where the problems are. And the second service I want to show you today is the online JSON viewer, available at jsonviewer.stack.hu. What I like about this service is it also does formatting. Let's paste in our JSON, and we can press format, and we'll again get a formatted view of that JSON file. This is useful, but what's really useful is the JSON viewer. The second tab viewer allows me to look at the structure of this JSON file. So we can see this JSON file has 3 sections. So what I like about this is we can see the number of records we're dealing with. So we can see there's 5,469 records in this JSON file. So that's useful. We can also isolate down to an exact record. Between these two services, you have most of the tools that you need to pre-analyze your JSON before you insert that JSON into the JSON connector. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more JSON connector video tips.